We're crafting something truly special, a handmade card featuring a beautiful heart made from quilled paper strips. This project is perfect for expressing your affection in a unique and artistic way. As we work, feel free to experiment with colors and shapes to make your card as unique as your own love story. Thank you for joining me in crafting this beautiful romantic card. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please like, share, and subscribe to our CraftiWorks channel. Your support means the world to us.